All right, what's happening, man? So I realized I'm a little bit absent-minded having a conversation with a friend. I just realized I never talked about this fragrance, but it's a decant that I got at decanthouse.com of a fragrance I've been wanting to smell for a long time, and that is Guerlain L'Homme Ideal Extreme. I've been rocking it a handful of times now, and we got to talk about it. But before we do, you know the drill. As always, if you like the content, subscribe and ring the damn bell. How many times do I got to say it? A lot, apparently. So yeah, Guerlain L'Homme Ideal Extreme is one of the many flankers of this Guerlain L'Homme Ideal line. I have a lot of them, don't have all of them, and this is one that I really wanted to smell for a long time. And I got this at, again, decanthouse.com. I really recommend that website. Shout out to Ross from TLTG Reviews, the man, the myth, the legend. He's the one that talked about that website at first and turned me on to them. So yeah, got this for a great price. Like I said, worn it a handful of times. This stuff is awesome. To simplify it, it's the well-known sexy creamy almond, but what stands out the most to me is the pink pepper, the cinnamon, and the plum. There's many other notes, but these are what stand out the most to me. The cinnamon, the pink pepper, and the plum are just gorgeous. This is a somewhat spicy, cinnamony fragrance with the nice, smooth, creamy almond mixed up in there. I love this stuff. It is totally a night out fragrance in my opinion. Like I said, I've worn it, I think 4, maybe 5 times now. And all of those times have been going out with friends. Temperature has been, you know, between 50 and 60, maybe 65 degrees. I like it more in the cooler weather. I don't think I'm going to be rocking this in the warmer weather, but hey, you do whatever the hell you want to do. I'll still love you. It's good stuff. I really liked it. Performance left a little to be desired. I think I got like 3, 4, maybe 5 hours out of it. Could have been going nose blind, but again, this is a night out fragrance to me, so I don't need 10 hours. I'm good with 3 hours because it smells beautiful. Now the downside, and there is a downside, the downside to this stuff from my research is that I can't find a bottle of this shit anywhere. It's extremely hard to find. The only place I can find it is eBay, and those bastards on eBay want $150 to $250 a bottle, and I don't feel like paying that. If you know where to get it down below, let me know, and you would be a lifesaver. But yeah, that's a downside. It's really hard to find, and when you do find it, you're going to pay a pretty penny. So I do not recommend blind buying this. I would say hit decanthouse.com, get yourself a decant to sample this stuff. It smells nice. You might love it enough to pay that, and that's on you, man. I don't blame you at all because it smells great, but I would like to see this like 80 bucks or less. I don't think I'm going to, but we'll see. I'm going to hold out a little longer and keep hunting around and see if I can find this stuff at a better price, because yeah, eBay is the only place I can find it, and they want a little too much. So yeah, the video is like your wee short and sweet, baby. Until next time, guys, like the video if you like the damn video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't already. God bless. Be well. Boom. I'm out.